In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on TikTok. As usual, we don't waste time in this channel. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, after opening the TikTok app, you want to click on profile with the human symbol at the very bottom. It's written profile, just click on it. Then click on the hamburger sign or the three bars, the three horizontal bars at the top to the right. Just click on it. Then click on settings and privacy. Okay, just make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now after clicking on privacy, you want to scroll down, just scroll down until you locate blocked accounts under visibility. Just click on the arrow to the right under blocked accounts. Okay, now you can see the person that you block. Now you can just unblock them just like that. So that is how you unblock someone on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.